We drug it down to mats, and completely unexpectedly, we ended up getting People's Choice Best of Showdown with it. So that was quite an accomplishment. Pretty proud of that, honestly.
I got vision, best from the beginning. They keep swinging, but I stay winning.
I'm Jeff Hoker, and I'm the owner of HOKER Trucking. We're from Dixon, Iowa, just up the road here from Walcott, about 10 miles. Been in business since 2000, so going our 25th year. The truck we build here is called Worth the Wait. It's a 2023 Peterbilt 389 glider with a C16 cat that was built by PDI. We have a 2023 Great Dane trailer, spread axle van. Kind of some of the cool stuff about it, I guess. We were lucky enough to get one of the last gliders made. Peterbilt didn't make many gliders after this one. So we've always wanted one. So we waited a long time to get it. Obviously took a year. We ordered it in 21, built in late 22. So we got it in January of 23. So fortunately, to give us time to get everything put together, by the time the truck came in, we had pretty much all the parts on the shelf. We had the stacks, the motor, the interior was still kind of a piece. We'll talk about that when we get there, I guess. I always wanted a glider with a Caterpillar. So that's why we built it, called PDI, and said, hey, can you build us a C16? And so that's what we got. It's legendary blue and silver. If you want to walk around a little bit, we'll show you a little bit about it, I guess. Obviously, the motor has a lot of work done to it. The nice part about using PDI is it comes basically as you see it, other than a few of the add-on chrome parts on it. This thing comes put together and really ready to run. So PDI did a great job. It puts out about 825 horse. We put an 18-speed transmission behind it. Paint work, PDI painted the motor as you see it. Comes just like that. The add-on parts were done by GTG. We took parts off and had them painted. GTG, Peterbilt, and Davenport did that for us. HD Equipment in Grand Mound, Iowa actually put this whole truck together for us. Guthrie over there did a great job, and getting this thing done. Added like the interior, so when the truck was ordered, we originally ordered this black and silver interior, because I don't like brown. When the truck came in and showed up, it had the tan interior in it. So I wasn't too sure about what we were going to do. Guthrie over at HD said, well, let's put some stuff together. We called Easy Pete Interiors, and Guthrie gave him the idea of adding some blue onto the tan and redoing it. And honestly, it turned out I actually love it. You don't see anything like it, which is why I really like it. It's unique. A lot of Dynaflex parts, we got parts on here from just about everybody in the industry, I think, of some sort. It took us about 3 months to get the actual truck put together once we got it. Once we got the parts on the shelf, so that helped. We had it done just in time to go down to the 589 reveal show in Fort Worth, Texas a year ago. So we bobtailed to that. The trailer wasn't done yet. Brought it home from there, and I think we showed Walcott with it next. And then we moved into the trailer. We ordered the trailer about the same time as the truck, and it took a little over a year and a half to get the trailer. It's a 2023 Great Dane spread axle van, as I said. We wanted it to stay obviously like the trucks. We had the same fenders in the trailer as the truck. Tegler's up in Farley did all the work on the trailer. Tegler's painted, Timmy Curran up there, the boys painted the trailer, all the fenders. They did all the paint work on the trailer. Fantastic job. We got the thing done. We got the trailer done actually about a month before mats this year. So we put it together, finished a few things on the truck, and we drug it down to mats. And completely unexpectedly, we ended up getting People's Choice Best of Showdown with it. So that was quite an accomplishment. Pretty proud of that, honestly. We come together after that. We came back and we took it down to Fort Worth, and we went to the Shell Super Rigs, and we won People's Choice of Shell Super Rigs, along with our class Best in Show for show class only down there. So the truck's done pretty well since we got it done. We're pretty proud of it. I have a lot of compliments on it. Obviously took a long time, and that's where the name Worth the Wait came from. Primary business is van freight. We also have flatbeds. We have hoppers. We have wide bottoms, belt trailers. So we've used BulkLoads now for probably close to 10 years, I'm going to guess. We also have HOKER Logistics, which is a brokerage. We use BulkLoads for all of that stuff on the ag side of things, at least, that we do, and our dumps with aggregates and that. BulkLoads has been a huge help to us, connecting with other carriers and getting the freight moved. We need to move it, on top of being able to move trucks back when we do go outbound and need reloads back. So BulkLoads has been very good to us. It's been very helpful, and I think they do a great job of everything they do over there.
Hey guys, I wanted to tell you just a quick story. Back in 2010, when I had the idea to start BulkLoads, I had plenty of people telling me that it wasn't a good idea. I remember quitting my job and getting this started. And many people, even a neighbor of ours, come up and tell my wife, is like, when's Jared going to get a real job? When's he actually going to go to work? And I was doing everything I can to work. The point being is, I heard people, but I didn't allow it to influence me. All the negativity out there in the world saying that you can't do it, you can't make it in life, you can't do it with your business, your trucking business. I just want to tell you, man, if you are living or getting those lies fed to you, make sure and stop that. You can get on social media. I know many truckers do. We support social media. We're on social media a lot, but be careful of the lies that are being spread about how you can't make it, how your business is going to fail, how it's everybody else's fault. I heard those same lies, and man, and there's still times that it gets to me, but man, we have built a solution here at BulkLoads to help you as the trucking company. We have an end-to-end solution. So if you're at the very beginning trying to get this figured out, if you've got your authority already and trying to get loads, if you need help with insurance, if you need help managing your freight, if you need help getting payment, we can help every facet along the way. We didn't build this business to get rich. We built this business to help small trucking companies like you and small businesses get better. We know that the rewards will come. If we can serve you, our clients, very well and serve you to the best of our ability, we will be rewarded. We're not worried about that. That's not our mindset. Our mindset has always been for those small business units like yourself. So man, if you get a chance, man, if you're in a spot where you need help, man, reach out and call. We're not here to sell you, upcharge you, do anything like that. Our job is to help and serve you and show you how you can do better. I can promise you that. Reach out to us at BulkLoads in any of these capacities. Let us help you along the way. God bless.